हरि ओम नमस्ते। सर्वेभ्यः नवरात्रपर्वणः शुभाशयः। नवरात्रस्य द्वितीयदिवसे या शान्तिस्वरूपिणी मङ्गलस्वरूपिणी च अस्ति तां ब्रह्मचारिणीं देवीं वन्दामहे प्रार्थयामः। अद्यतनकार्यक्रमे आदौ कोरमङ्गलातः ज्येष्ठबालानां बालविहारगणाः ब्रह्मचारिणीदेवताय महिमां महत्त्वञ्च वर्णयति तथा श्रीभट्टजी महोदया ललितापञ्चकं तथा शारदे वीणाधारिणी इति गीतं श्रावयति। अलसूरु तथा कोरमङ्गला तथा HSR युवा केन्द्रस्य सदस्याः आभारात् अस्मिन् शुभपर्वाणि क्रियमाणानि मिष्ठानि भक्ष्यभोजयानि विषये कथयन्ति। धन्यवादः।
Hari Om. This is the story of Ma Brahmacharini. We worship Ma Brahmacharini on the second day of Navaratri. Ma Brahmacharini is an embodiment of tapas or penance. In fact, the name Brahmacharini is made up of two words, Brahma meaning tapas and Charini meaning an ardent female follower. After Sati immolated herself, she took birth as the daughter of Parvat Raja Himalaya as Parvati. When Parvati grew up, sage Narada happened to visit her. He told Parvati that she could marry Lord Shiva, who happened to be her husband from the previous birth. She was required to follow the path of penance.
Parvati was determined to marry Lord Shiva. She followed an immensely difficult penance and devotion for several years. She earned the name Brahmacharini or Tapascharini, meaning the one who follows the path of tapas. Mata Brahmacharini continued her penance without food and water for several years. Her body became extremely fragile and weak. Finally, Lord Brahma appeared before her and blessed her that she would have Lord Shiva as her husband in this birth. Later, Lord Shiva married Parvati. Mata Brahmacharini holds a rosary in her right hand and a kamandalu in her left hand. Mata Brahmacharini is an embodiment of tapas, devotion, solitude and restraint. She blesses her devotees with peace, prosperity, happiness and nobility.
Hari Om. Devi Brahmacharini Mantra. Dhadhanankara Padmabhyam Akshamala Kamandalu Devi Prasidatu Mai Brahmacharinnyanuttama. Meaning, O Goddess Brahmacharini, who holds a rosary and a kamandalu in her hands, please on me. Benefit. Chanting of this mantra bestows upon one the beauty and the kindness of the soul and the body. Namaste.
देवी प्रसीदतु मयि ब्रह्मचारिण्यनुत्तमा।
हरि ओम। प्रातः स्मरामि ललितावदनारविन्दम् बिम्बाधरं प्रतुलमौक्तिकशोभिनाशम् आकर्णदीर्घनयनं मणिकुण्डलाढ्यम् मन्दस्मितं मृगमदोज्ज्वलफालदेशम् प्रातर्भजामि ललिता भुजकल्पवल्लीम् रक्ताङ्गुलीयलसदङ्गुलिपल्लवाढ्याम् माणिक्य हेमवलयाङ्गदशोभमानाम् पुण्ड्रेक्षु चापकुसुमेषु श्रीर्दधानाम् प्रातर्नमामि ललिता चरणारविन्दम् भक्तेष्टदाननिरतम् भव सिन्धुपोतम् पद्मासनादिसुरनायकपूजनीयम् पद्माङ्कुशध्वज सुदर्शनलाञ्छनाढ्यम् प्रातस्तुवे परशिवाम् ललिताम् भवानीम् त्रय्यन्तवेद्यविभवाम् करुणानवद्याम् विश्वस्य सृष्टिविलयस्थितिहेतुभूताम् विद्येश्वरीम् निगमवाङ्मनसातिदूराम् प्रातर्वदामि ललिते तव पुण्यनाम कामेश्वरीति कमलेति महेश्वरीति श्रीशाम्भवीति जगताम् जननी परेति वाग्देवतेति वचसा त्रिपुरेश्वरीति वाग्देवतेति वचसा त्रिपुरेश्वरीति वन्दे शारदे वन्दे शारदे वीणाधारिणि माते वीणाधारिणि माते वन्दे शारदे पालिसु माते लोकविख्याते पालिसु माते लोकविख्याते करಗಳ ಮುಗಿವೆನು ತಾಯೇ करಗಳ ಮುಗಿವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ವಂದೇ ಶಾರದೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಪಾಣಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ನೀಡೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಪಾಣಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ನೀಡೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕರುಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೇ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕರುಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೇ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕರುಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೇ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕರುಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೇ ವಂದೇ ಶಾರದೆ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ತೋರೆ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ತೋರೆ ವರವನು ಕರುಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೇ ವರವನು ಕರುಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೇ ವಂದೇ ಶಾರದೆ वीणाधारिणि माते वीणाधारिणि माते वन्दे शारदे
हरि ओम। with a beautiful message that lies within the core, the victory of good over evil. Hindus celebrate the festival of Navaratri, offering prayers to the Navadurga over the course of the 9 days of festivities. A common practice of keeping the ritualistic fast is a vital part of the celebration. Devotees switch to sattvic diet and only certain ingredients are used in the preparation of dishes. After 9 days of Shira Bhakti and Navaratri rituals, the last day, Dasara, coincides with the culmination of the festival. It's celebrated with great fervor and fanfare as it marks the triumph of Lord Rama over Ravan. Along with the spiritual significance behind the festival, it unites people and propagates optimism and galvanizes us to look at the wider horizons of life. Something that unites everyone together is the delicacies around the nation. Let's eavesdrop over a conversation that happens among our favorite dishes.
તમે કેમ છો? મારું નામ જયંતીલાલ ગડા છે.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव अन्विता लोखंडे आहे.
शुभेच्छा. আমার নাম অরুণিমা ব্যানার্জি.
வரவேற்கும். என்ன பேர் ಚಿನ್ನಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಯ್ಯರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಭಟ್.
All the way from Apan, Gujarat. It is staple on the dining table after a long tiring day of the Navratri daily fast. It's the simplicity of the dish that makes it so scrumptious. A part of this dish, sabudana, also known as sago or tapioca pearls, are made from the roots of the cassava plant. It is enriched in carbs and highly energy giving. It is also found in Karnataka, Maharashtra, etc. That's why it is a perfect dish for the Navaratri fast. From Daya Babi to Jetalal, everyone loves sabudana khichdi.
Puran Poli is the pride of the fellow Maharashtrians. It is a sweet flatbread stuffed with a sweet lentil filling made from husked split Bengal gram, that is chana dal, and jaggery. Packed with flavor and nutrition, breaking your fast with Puran Poli can make you go zingat.
Well, how can the Navratri delicacies be complete without this? Hi, I am representing Began Bhaja, all the way from the lands known for Durga Puja, Bengal. Began Bhaja is a quickie, luscious snack that you can serve to the guests who crash at your place after pandal hopping. Bon appetite!
Vanakkam. I am representing the dish Sundal, a very adored and loved dish by fellow Indians across the nation. Flushed with taste and proteins, it is basically a dry legume lentil preparation spiced, tempered along with fresh coconut. During the auspicious time of Navratri, this is the must prepare prasadam on the list. Hence, makes this dish quite significant.
After a delicious South Indian meal on the banana leaf and you crave something sweet at the end, this dish comes in to seize the day. It gives little taste of heaven, authentic and wholesome, an old dessert and as old as the culture itself. It is the food of God and also have a place in numerous spiritual texts including Vedic texts and other holy literary sources. One of Navarasas or 9 different tastes of the palate. Payasam is integral to any festive meal and in South India is served on a banana leaf. It's too hard to keep up your diet when you see payasam on the banana leaf.
Now that you all have heard all about the delicacies of India, We are sure your mouth is watering. This Navaratri, make sure you try as many ethnic Indian foods as you can and take pride in the different region cuisines. One of the biggest reasons people love festival is because of its delicious foods. We Indians are blessed with different varieties of foods and each state is special for a particular dish or sweet. Let us know your favorite dishes in the comment below. Hope you all enjoyed this video and learned a lot about the amazing foods of India. Thank you. Hari Om.
आगमात् धन्यवादं समर्पयामि। अस्मिन् शुभदिने भवताम् उपस्थितिः अस्माकं पुण्यफलम् इत्वे मन्यमाहे कार्यक्रमः आनन्ददायकः आसीत् इति मन्ये। कः अपि अस्मिन् एव समये कृपया आगच्छन्तु। पूज्य ब्रह्मानन्दस्वामिनः श्रीचरणायोः सर्वम् अर्पित्वा गुरुपादुके वन्दयित्वा विरामति। धन्यवादः। शुभमयी दशरा। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणम्। हरि ओम् हरि ओम् हरि ओम्।